Good evening. I usually start my videos in the morning, but today I am making a really awesome dinner, so I'm starting the video now. We just spent a couple weeks in Portland. We were visiting my sister who recently moved there, her new boyfriend, and my family came to visit. We did a lot of fun stuff that I'm going to show you in just a moment, but for now I'm going to make dinner with stuff that I got from the Portland Farmers Market, which by the way is the greatest farmers market that we've ever been to.
This tempeh we got from the farmer's market. I had heard of it before, but I didn't know what it was. You can do it with many types of grains, but you inoculate it with a certain species of fungus and then let it ferment. And once the fungus myceliates or grows the white stuff all over the grain, then you eat it. And it turns it into kind of a meat substitute and helps the nutrients be more bioavailable. And I think it has a good bit of protein in it, but this particular one is a lentil, but they had quinoa and several different grains available.
I always thought tempeh was made with soy. Is it not?
I don't. Maybe it could be, but the ones that he had were all
non-soy. I appreciate tempeh because it seems like when you're making vegetarian or vegan dishes, the protein source is always soy-based. On the road, I've never seen tempeh, so that was a really cool find.
I hadn't either. It's a cool thing. Oh, another interesting thing that we found the other day was chicken of the woods. We found some chicken of the woods in the city. Haha!
Yeah, it's pretty. Beautiful colors. Looks pretty close.
That looks like exactly the same, right?
But to be safe, you always want to fully identify by either spore print or the, what is it, like gills or...
Or tasting it. Don't do that.
Now, there aren't too many lookalikes to this mushroom. However, it could be confused for maybe two species, if you stretch your imagination. Perhaps chanterelles. Chanterelles are orange, kind of like chicken mushroom. But if you flip chanterelles upside down, they don't have pores. They don't even have gills. They have something called ridges. Flip jack-o'-lanterns upside down, and they have gills on the underside, not pores.
You got no gills, you got pores.
Dense clusters. And another cool
It was growing on a tree right by Elsa's parents' Airbnb. So we harvested it and cooked it up, and it tasted actually like chicken and had a similar consistency too. I didn't really believe it, but it was delicious. Elsa sauteed the chicken of the woods from the other night, and we've all been eating it. Tastes like chicken?
Tastes like chicken.
What do you think?
Tastes like chicken.
What are you doing? And these are chanterelle mushrooms that we got at the farmer's market as well. Tempeh first or garlic first?
I don't know.
And then we'll just put the spinach on last.
Yeah.
I think we let the tempeh go a little long. We should have cooked it a couple days ago. So it's a little funky, but delicious.
These are some of the best mushrooms I've ever had.
The chanterelles?
Mm-hmm.
The
Even
chicken
better
of
than
the
the
woods.
chicken of the woods.
No.
The chicken of the woods had a really mushroomy aftertaste. These just taste like could be meat. This is a piece of fresh sourdough and some goat cheese. I love goat cheese.
We should put Kamp in the front seat.
Yeah. Whoa.
Can you do the romance mode? I've always wanted to see it.
So many.
I've
nerdy
never
little features.
seen this. I didn't realize the whole thing was a screen.
Yeah. It's a little distracting at first, but you get used to it.
And you have a screen up there too. No.
Yep. Puts on romantic
Really?
music.
What?
It's so dumb. Okay, so I always do this when my grandma gets in the car. You turn on the, it's like a whoopee cushion mode. You can pick your fart noise and which seat it comes out of.
Oh my god!
So when does it happen?
You can either do it on turn signal, which always surprises me, or you can press this little button here and it.
You just do it?
It's a little soundboard.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me.
Okay.
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.